How to use Telegram wallet. In this video, we're going to be talking about Telegram and how you can use its wallet feature. So, Telegram wallet is basically a place where you can store, send, and exchange all of your crypto assets. Okay, it's one of the largest wallet communities ever, and a lot of people on Telegram use it. Okay, because Telegram is not only a messenger but also a place where you can actually make good money. And a lot of people use this wallet to basically, send, exchange, sell, and a whole lot more. And there are a lot of more assets that are available on this wallet. Okay, so you get different things like TON Space, where you can access the TON blockchain directly within Telegram, where you have complete control of the TON coin, collectibles, and jetons in your space. Then you can obviously easily send any type of a currency asset or just straight up dollars. You can receive it through either your USDT address or QR code. You can also buy it through your credit card, swap it with other types of assets. You can also do a P2P transaction and withdraw your money from your Telegram wallet as well. Now, if you want to set yourself up with Telegram wallet, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come to wallet.tg. You're going to click on open wallet. Okay. So what happens is it logs in with your Telegram, and what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to open up your Telegram desktop. Okay. So you can do that as you want, or you can open it up in your browser. I'm going to go ahead and set this up and show you how it looks. Now, once we're over here, this is how our Telegram is going to look. We have our wallet bot right here. So here it says, what can this bot do? Obviously, you're going to go ahead and start a conversation with the bot. Now, once you go ahead and send a message, they actually show you what this bot can actually do. So it says your wallet is set and ready. You can start using crypto in Telegram. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on open wallet. And once we click on open wallet, what's going to happen is it will obviously go ahead and set things up for you. Open up your wallet right over here. Now this is how your wallet's going to generally look like. Okay, it's going to be a type of a page where you're going to find all of your currencies. You're going to find all of the assets that are working in your currency and a whole lot more. Okay, and opening your wallet will give you different features like sending and withdrawing. Okay, and out of most of those things, the easiest will be to obviously go ahead and put on the TON coin, because TON coin is the main coin that is used with the Telegram wallet. So even if we come up here and search up the Telegram wallet, you can see that the main Telegram wallet is just straight away used for basic necessities that are going to be, trading, sending, receiving, and a whole lot more. I wouldn't, personally use it as a bank, to transfer things or to, do the rest of the lot. But it generally can work pretty well with all the individual channels you have opened. And the best part about this is that you can use your wallet to send money to the actual individual channels on the left hand side that you can see over here as well. Not only your Telegram contacts, but your channels as well. So as you can see, easy to buy, where you can purchase Bitcoin, Tonecoin, Notcoin, and USDT by card or via P2P market. You can send to a friend by worldwide transfers on Telegram, which are pretty much free. And you can also get convenient use out of it, which is pretty, straightforward, pretty fun to do so. So, just go ahead and set your wallet up as I have over here. And once you are set and ready to go, you can go ahead and access different features in your wallet, as well as the different, individualities. So as you can see, total balance right now that I have is $0. Then if you want to go ahead and get more assets, they are going to appear over here like Bitcoin, Notcoin, Toncoin, and Dogecoin. And you can also see their live rate right now. So Bitcoin is going for $62,884. Toncoin is going for 538, and you can see a lot more. So first of all, we have the send option. We have add crypto. You can add crypto through external wallets, like you might have a Binance wallet, then you have P2P Market that you can also use to sell. You can exchange with other cryptocurrencies as well as get this P2P Market for yourself. You can also use the wallet earn option. Now, what is the wallet earn option? Now, basically, the wallet earn option gets you the general earnings that, make income from available balance with low requirements and give you an easy setup to have. Okay, so through that, you can basically earn Toncoin on USDT, earn dogs on Ton, and earn dogs on dogs. Okay, so these are different, earning ways that can give you a good idea on how crypto is bought and how assets are distributed in your Telegram wallet. Now, moving on, as I told you previously, you can also go ahead and use your Telegram wallet with the other transactions that you can do with other, like let's say Trojan on Solana, BonkBot, all these different providers can be transacted with. And obviously, if you want to go ahead and send it to them, you can go ahead and buy some crypto. And on the P2P market, you can buy it without intermediaries. Now, currently, the Telegram wallet is a bit slow because of a little delay in the servers. But generally, it does work pretty fast, and it doesn't really have a lot of delays in its functionalities and capabilities. So here we have P2P markets. Here you can basically buy crypto from other users with absolute zero fees, no taxes. You get fast transactions, funds are deposited into account in minutes, flexible payment methods where you can choose your preferred payment methods from the most popular ones, and you can also get a responsible approach where safe space for your transactions with other users also return. So let's say if I go ahead and click on Get Started. If we click on Get Started, here you can see it's going to give you a lot of different assets, in the market that are going to go well with the Toncoin and the assets that you pretty much provided. So here we have buy and sell cryptocurrencies without intermediaries. So first of all, you can manage your ads and payments. Okay, so the payment settings here is where you're going to add your payment providers, how you're going to actually buy something through a wallet or maybe through a bank. You can also do different ad creations where you can create different ads, add different cryptos to it, exchange the price up for yourself, get a good P2P market, buy it on the P2P market. You can even sell it on the P2P market where other people might, actually buy the assets from you. Now, that is a pretty incredible feature to have in your, wallet. And generally, you can get all these things over here where you can also do payments through, stuff like SadaPay, EasyPasa, or NayaPay that you have in your country. Okay, so generally pretty good stuff. And what they do is they also run on the dollar because they're working with USDT. So, pretty generally good stuff and good ways to, do your crypto marketing and crypto trading on the go. So this is Telegram Wallet and how you're going to basically use it for your good. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great and incredible day. I'll see you all later. Goodbye.